Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve CapCut not responding, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to CapCut and you can click. Then this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.